I've come to terms, my baby is a bird. When you're in the sky, I'm hoping you return. What can I say? Knew it right away. You are what you are, and I feel like a cage. You're so cute, my fate is on the bed. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it, fate is on the bed. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. Who ends up getting hurt. And when you land, curled up in my hands, feathers come and go. Oh, don't you understand? I need you now, and I miss you when the wings I fell in love with take you away again. You're so cute, my fate is on the bird. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it, fate is on the bird. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. How can I be, how can I be, how can I be your cloud, how can I be, how can I be your light up and see that me down, so you always, and know that you're down, baby, I can see. How can I be your cloud, the one that doesn't have an end, arms that are all around, or should I hold you while I can see that you feel well down? I'm scared that you always will, but you're not the only one who's afraid of losing something. You're so cute, my fate is on the bed. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it, fate is on the bed. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt.